Hello, this is me again with another unboxing. I know what this is. See, I just got back from work and I find this literally outside of my bedroom door. Like, I wasn't going to get this till tomorrow. That's when this game comes out. I mean, I did see posts where people were getting it and I was just responding to someone and they'd be like, oh, I don't even have the game yet. Why is there already a patch? I don't even have it. And now, I freaking have it. Just let me cut this open. Awkwardly, with one hand. There we go. I wish I could have a proper setup here, but I don't have room. There we go. Right, there it is. Good old fashioned cardboard. Why? Oh. Why are people getting this early? That's a small box in Elden Ring Nightreign. I mean, Shadow of the Erdtree. This is Elden Ring Nightreign, supposedly. Boop. I think. Get this done quick. Just upload a fucking box in. It's on my bed again. Sorry, I don't have a good station. I live with family. If I had my own place, yeah, I'd have a better area for unboxings, but well, there's the box. Just let me get this out. But oh boy. As night falls, we rise. And that's what's in the box. I like that picture of the Viking-esque boat. I like it. Just extra art there. Now we got it open. Is it run? No. Was it? No. I'm trying to think. I think it was over a year ago that the Erdtree came out. That was something. Oh my god, it's too hard. It was that hard. Until I leveled up to a point where it wasn't hard. Take off the sleeve. Yeah, this is smaller than my Shadow of the Erdtree box. Come on. I want to get this uploaded quick. I'll be one of the first people to have it uploaded. Bandai. This is an experimental game, from what I heard from Software. It's just them wanting to make a different game property in it. This is tight, hold on. I got it. Oh boy. Name again. Yeah, this fits print all around. The symbol. Nice box art. Okay. Right, so as me just took off the flap, that was quite tight. Move that. Move that. Up here. Another one of these pictures. I've got one of these with Shadow of the Erdtree. That's the download code for what? I think that's the download code for the game or something else. I like this kind of sort of download code. I quite like that. I may have showed it there, but I'm gonna redeem it, like right now. Some Bandai club thing. These must be the cards. Hold on. I'm gonna sit down. Alright, so these must be the tarot kind of cards. Oh, I like the envelope. See what we got here. we got Wilder. Why do I think his name is Wild? And that's the back. And we got Guardian. Very interesting designer. Iron Eye. Okay, the back's going to be the same for all of them. The chest. Recluse. Raider. Big Viking brother. And Revenant. Those are the cards, the characters you get to play as. And here we have, there's a leaflet about Elden Ring itself. This, okay, digital soundtrack. They like giving you soundtracks for these collector's editions. Oh, that's a nice picture. The steelbook, which is actually really cool. Nice little art print there. As obviously steel, it's reflective, but that was cool. And what do we have here? Some pieces of paper. Assembly guide for the statue. Okay. Next, take this out. Was this supposed to come from an art book? No, I don't know. I don't think it was. Alright, now we get to the actual fucking figure. Oh, there is an art book. The Art of Elden Ring. That is a cool picture. Let's flick through this. That picture was on the inside of the steelbook. Alright. You got this kind of picture of, I assume, the world. Another cool picture of characters jumping with a giant in the background. That must be one of the... that just looks like a bunch of ruins with trees. So that's kind of like the hub area. Some rooms. More rooms, an outside village. Ooh, that's a cool shot. Right, a cliff, a vortex on the top of the castle, a tree, bad guys. Am I gonna fly through this whole thing? I don't know. Pictures. See, they definitely put effort into this game, and I will be playing it. Some heroes. They're going to add more heroes in it, which I should have a season pass here, shouldn't I? Is meant to come with a season pass. Oh, that's cool. Night Lords. Barfly, great. I like the designs of the bosses in this game anyway, these are cool. That's the end. That's the end. Alright. Now that I crack open the figurine. Bit of a mess here. I'll get it tidied up. Alright, I'm gonna put this. That's him right there, Wilder. Ooh, it's quite small. Very cool design he's got. And oh man, that sword is cool. We get a close up on his sword. Look at this. Very cool sword. And I believe the hilt should pop off. Pop to there. And does this peg into it, the back? There we go. Just look at this in all of its glory. Beautiful. I'm gonna actually pause the video here and I'm gonna get Mesmer. Alright, so that's Wilder and Mesmer next to each other. Honestly, pretty cool. I like that Wilder is more considered. Well, Mesmer's a demigod, he's tall. And Wilder assumes just a regular guy. John Nightreign. That's them next to each other. Pretty cool. Oh no, I think this is pretty cool. I'm gonna pause it again and try to get everything that came of this in one picture. Alright, so here's everything. Statue, soundtrack, steel book, art book, that's just a tarot leaf, the tarot cards. It's actually pretty cool collector's edition, I have to say. There we go. Pretty cool. I'm happy with it. Really am. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm going to put in this code while this video uploads. Yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.